These are the Chef's Press cooking presses made in Oakland, California, and designed by Chef Bruce Hill. They come in two different sizes. We have an 8-ounce weight here and a 13-ounce weight here. Both have the same dimensions, just the 13-ounce weight is a little bit thicker. The 8-ounce weight is good for more delicate items like certain vegetables or fish fillets. The 13-ounce weight is better for steaks, burgers, grilled cheeses, things like that. They can be paired together and interlocked for some additional width. They can stack for additional weight in a certain area. They can also be stood up next to each other with a big pork chop or something similar in the middle to help render out any kind of big fat cap you may have. They are both made out of stainless steel, so they can be submerged in water to help hold down frozen meat that's thawing in water or vegetables that are in the stock pot.